Hey there, April of Yes to Next here with my mom, 𝐄𝐦𝐚𝐢𝐥.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a 5-minute lower body workout. Okay. Real nice and compact. All right.
In 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes. You ready for this? You can do anything for 5 minutes.
You got it.
Right? Okay. So here we go. We're just going to start by marching in place. Okay. And so for this workout, we need you to have water handy and also a couple of pillows. Okay. All right. So while we're warming up here, go get those things, or you can even pause the video here and go get those things. Okay. All right. Let's do some quick side steps to the right. Good. Just warm things up. Get our legs moving. Get the blood flowing.
Get the blood flowing.
Very good. Okay. Good job. All right. So our first exercise are going to be heel raises. Would you like to have a seat, Mom?
Yes, thank you
Mom's
very
going to
much.
be doing all these exercises seated. I will do them standing.
All right.
Okay. So our first exercise is heel raises. So lift the heels up, feet hip distance apart. Okay. And lift them off the floor. So here we go. Lift them up. 1. Good. 2. Nice. 3. We're going to 8. 4. Okay. 5. 6. Good. 7. And 8. And rest. Take a breath. Good work. All right. That's heel raises.
All right.
Our next exercise are just going to be knee lifts.
Okay.
So it looks like this. So knee up and down. Up and down. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
Just going to do 4 on each side. Here we
All
go.
right.
1. Oh, good. 2. I'll do that side. 3 and 4 and rest. Other side. Up. Good. 2. Good. 3 and 4 and rest.
All
Good
right.
work.
Good job.
Okay. Take a breath, but not too long a breath. Okay.
But keep breathing.
Yes. It's just 5 minutes. 5-minute workout. We can all do it. Okay. Next exercise would be leg extensions. So why don't you just kick that toe up to the ceiling and back down. Okay. That's all we're going to do.
Okay.
Ready? Go. So 1. Good. 2. 3. And 4 and down and rest other side. Ready? 1. Good. 2. Nice. 3 and 4 and down. Good work. Okay. Take a breath. We got to get ready for our next exercise.
Okay, doke.
Is the pillow squeeze. So put the pillow between your legs.
Okay.
And we're just going to squeeze it for 8.
Okay.
Okay. We're working the inner thigh. Here we go. 1. Good. 2. 3. 4. 5. Squeeze. 6. 7. And 8. And rest. Good work. Okay. Done with the pillows.
All right.
Okay. This is like super speedy workout. Last exercise are the chair stand-ups. Okay. The goal is going to be this and standing up.
Right.
Why do we need to do this, Mom?
Get off my favorite spot, the toilet.
That's right. Okay. Right. And
By
if-
yourself. You don't want to call anybody.
Right. And if you can't do that,
Yeah.
you can put your hands on your thighs
Yep.
and then
Push yourself.
push yourself up,
That'll work.
or you can put your hands on the side of the chair.
Right.
Push yourself up. And if you
Right.
can't stand up all the way, that's okay.
That's
We
okay.
just want you to be able to get your bum off the chair.
That's right.
Okay?
Even this is
That's
good.
right. You can progress as you keep doing these exercises.
Good.
Okay? All right,
right.
so let's do it.
All right.
Let's do 8.
All right.
Ready? And I'm going to do it in squat mode. So go. 1. Good. 2. And this is a squat.
I'm using the chair
3.
side chair.
That's fine. 4.
Okay. Now I'll use my hands.
5. Good. 6. Nice. 7. And just one more. And 8. And nice job. Very good. All right. Good work. We just want to stretch it out a little bit. So let's kick the leg out. Reach for the toe. You don't have to touch it. That's okay. Other side. Straighten the other leg. One leg up, other leg bent. And breathe. All right. Very good. All right. Well, hey, nice job on this 5-minute lower body workout.
It's a quickie.
Exactly. But hopefully get you started
Yep.
on your journey.
Right.
Okay. So good work. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you in a future video. Oh, yes. And if you like this video, please give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to seeing you real soon. And in the meantime, keep moving.
See you soon.